I guess okay, for an old geezer. Oh man, I tell you, I just keep always thinking that Southern Florida looks really, really good when I see all this out here.
Yeah, I understand. Well, I forgot about the net this morning, but I was probably out shoveling.
Well, that's okay. That's okay. I'll tell you what, it was one of those nets that I mean to tell you, the intelligence come out. Oh my goodness sakes, it was amazing the information that was spread across, the 75-year band.
Oh, sorry I missed it. Well, I learned to shovel snow in Milwaukee, so I'm good at it. K9ARM.
Andy, one of the guys that I worked with, lived in South Bend, Indiana for 18 years of his life. And he said when he turned 18, he would never, ever step foot back in South Bend, Indiana again. And you know what? He never did. So, anyway, Dan, don't mean to hog, but anyway, thanks for picking me up. I appreciate it. WBAEWN 19W73.
Okay, John. Very good. Glad you guys looked up. So this is the mid-car service. Right now, it's coming up on 1:30. And we're looking for further check-in in the mid-car service. Come in.
It's the Alpha 8 Sugar Delta 5. W0 Delta Alpha Alpha.
I didn't get them all. Sorry. W8 SDF. And one station ending in Alpha Alpha, and then mobile station NY9R. Take the mobile first. NY9R, go ahead.
Alpha Romeo Yankee. On a little road trip down to southern Illinois today to hit a country 21 degrees, plus better day to go from the Dana Coast. So I will be out there as near but not much going on in the very old days. Pretty much pulled it pretty heavy overcast, but don't really expect to really snow in the surface. I'm going to deal with whatever comes down, so not much going on. I'm going to mess with it.
Okay, very good. Good signal. S9, sounding great here. Good mobile signal. Thank you, Gary, and come back soon. This is WB80EW. Next on my list, WA8 Sierra Delta Foxtrot. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, Dan. WCAEW, WA8FCF. And we're downstairs in Studio A in the shack in the basement because I came down here to grab some. And I had more layers of clothes on and could hardly move, but my glasses kept steaming up trying to take those off and just walking without everything in a blur. That didn't work out too well, but at least I got a mile in out there, about a mile and a half. So, that's
Okay. Good signal. Almost 20 over. Peeking there once in a while. It's a good, let's split here. It's a good 17, 18 over. That's all 20 over. Sounding great. Hey, thank you very much for checking in. And I don't blame you. For a few minutes. I really need to make a run to the store, get some things, but I don't know. That's debate. It might happen, it might not. WA8 SDF 73 and come back soon. This is WB80EW. Another station I had on the list, I'm sorry, stations were kind of on top of each other, but the suffix ended Alpha Alpha. Come now.
WBAEEW.
What is it green? Is it cold or it? And what happens to the farm? Shut the air hole for the next stuff, or the best stuff. Well, somebody's in the virus and for one topic that do that. Hey, Doug. Yeah, things are passable good. You're an S9 here, so no problem there. It's sounding good. Hey, thanks a lot for checking in. And stick around if you can. Well, we'll be around almost half an hour. Still, good to hear you, as always. Come back soon. This is WBADEW. It is mid-car on 725
KD8 SBM.
Okay, here's what I got. I have a KD8 SBM, 9-speed Golf Pumper uniform, and I have a K9. Let me try to get all those features I managed to pull through. KD8 SBM. Kurt, go ahead.
Hey, good afternoon, Dan. KD8 SBM. Kurt here in snowy central Michigan. Got my G5RV antenna. Looks like it's about a 2-inch diameter PVC plumbing pipe. I got ice on it, snow, and I went out there and yanked down the ladder line and tried to knock some off of it there. The SWR is crazy, but thought I'd give it a whirl and just wanted to say hi to you. Over.
Okay. Well, I don't know what effect that the ice and everything, the SWR, has on your signal, except that you're better than 10 over here. Got a good signal. So maybe you need to, market a product that resembles ice and sell it because it's sure working for you. Anyway, Kurt, good to hear you. I hope everything's fine on this end. I hope you're the same. Over.
QSL. Yeah, we still got power here and stuff. Trees, everything's all coated with snow and ice. All the my driveway was totally engulfed with limbs that were down. I rode the quad runner out to the main road. I got stuck a couple of times and cleaned up the driveway and the sidewalks. And then the plow guy came in, the pickup truck plow guy. He came in down my driveway here and stuff, and he looked down where the rest of the driveway goes down to where the other shed is down there and stuff, and he says, I ain't going down through that. I couldn't even get down through there with the quad runner. I didn't even try because it's everything is just it's totally filled up with all the branches that are so heavy with the snow and ice. So, Kelly had an interesting thing this morning. The neighbor was pounding on her door and said that a limb had sagged so much it touched the electrical wires and it was on fire. Of course, they called 911, but before they arrived, a branch had burned off. So fortunately, there wasn't anything else other than a good-sized limb that had burned off, and it's laying in the yard at the farmhouse. So it can always be worse, but that's what's happening up here in central Michigan, Dan. Thanks for picking me up. I'm glad I'm making the trip, running barefoot today with the ice-coated GV, or what is that, G5RV, over.
Wow. Good 15 over 9 and peaking right at 20 at the peak. So there's no effect that I can see. Not on this end anyway. Hey, Kurt, thanks a lot for checking in, man. Hang around and we'll see you soon.
QSL, Dan, sure will. Listen,
see what else is going on out there. I heard John earlier, and I didn't get a chance to say hello to him, but if he's still listening, KC9DDF, John, hello to you too. KD8SB, I'm Kurt here, Central Michigan, LC73s, I'll be listening.
Good afternoon, Kurt.
Hi, Joe, how you doing?
Not bad. Very good. So how you going to? Did you get a mess of it too?
QSL, he got 8 last night, and they were saying 12 today. So that's the last I spoke with him here. It was a little while ago. He said it's blowing and snowing up there.
Yeah, here too. We have about 24 inches of it. Everything else cleaned up, but it's snowing again. So probably have to do the beach tonight or tomorrow. Have a good one, Kurt. Thanks, Dan, for letting me get in a minute with Kurt. NAHOH.
Thanks for the wave, Joe. Have a good one. KD8SB, I'm back to net control.
All righty. Very good, guys. This is WB80EW. The next one is QPU. This sounds like kind of familiar. Go ahead. Okay, WB9 QPU. Yeah, good 10 over, nice signal, sounding good. Hey, thanks for the check-in. Always appreciate that. And we'll talk to you soon, sir. 73. That station I had on a list, but it was really stations on top of you. It was a K9 station. It ended in Romeo. Come now, and let's do it. Hello, Gary.
Oh, hi, Doc. 209 Bravo, Delta, Romeo. And it's for time here. This is yours. About 50 watts. And that's pretty much it. About 4 miles. The close wise, up to 9 miles. And very good. I shut down and also just started stuff. This is a song.
Okay, Jeff. K9, VDR. You were up and down. Sometimes you went way down. Sometimes you came back up, but we got most of that. Thank you very much for the check-in, and we will talk to you soon. This is WB80EW. Mid-car still. 142 Eastern Time. Who else needs mid-car?
Kilo 8 Sierra Yankee Alpha.
Okay, WI4M, I got you last, and that sounds good. But there was a station before you that it was all messed up. I had other signals coming in, I guess. The other station, try it one more time.
Kilo 8 Sierra Yankee Alpha.
All right. Couldn't have been you because you're loud. Was there another?
M0 Tango Mike Uniform, M0 TMU checking him.
Kilo Bravo 8, Mike Charlie Indian.
Okay, KB8, Mike Charlie India. There may have been a lineman, but I couldn't even make out enough to for sure identify that was another call. Did anybody hear another station that I did not?
I thought I heard one. KFYA, I thought I heard one, but I couldn't make it out either.
Okay, well, we'll try him again in a minute. Whiskey India 4, Mike, go ahead. All right, Sid. Wow. Well, you sounded good. You're nice, solid 10 over 9 peaks here 20 miles north of Cincinnati. It sounded real good. And where we've got... Sid, thank you very much for checking in the mid-cards, and come back and see us again real soon, okay? All right, 73, sir. Now, SYA, your turn.
Yeah, good afternoon. This is Kilo 8 Sierra Yankee Alpha, Cy in Elmont, Michigan. Yeah, we got 25 degrees here. We had some heavy-duty snow yesterday, and just heavy weight-wise. Probably got about 4 inches, but it was heavy. It broke down branches and trees and all kind of good stuff. So I got a lot of cleaning up to do today. And out of all the damage done with the heavy snow, my dipole is still up. So I figured that out. Came home and there was probably about 1.5 to 2 inches of snow on each layer, being that it's a multi-fan dipole, and I ended up getting a long piece of PVC, I guess, and knocked some of that snow and ice off, and then pull the rope tight, and she's back up there with no problem. And other than that, not much going on. Just like a lot of yard cleanup today. I got a 4-wheeler with a plow on it that won't start, so I got to take a look at that. Got a small tractor. I got to throw the plow on that, and just got done defrosting both vehicles. So other than that, how you doing today, Dan?
Well, better only in the fact that we don't have snow. Well, we had brief little flurries this morning, but nothing to amount to anything. And I don't think, knock on wood, that we're going to get anything significant in that department. That we don't need, but we do have, it's gotten all the way up to 25 degrees. Holy cow, it's a heat wave. So that's what we're doing today. That's about the full extent. But anyway, hey, thanks a lot for checking in. Sounding good, and stick around with us. But well, we won't be around long. Come back soon, okay?
Contact.
Contact go.
K8 FYA KC9DDF. Hi, Cy.
Okay, good afternoon there, John. How you doing?
Well, my 75-meter wire came down, so trying to get that. I wanted to pull up a new wire, but I think it's frozen up there. So fortunately, it fell to the side of the house, so I can, it goes up in the tree about 70 feet. So I can just slice in a piece, and I'll leave some slack and deal with it later. But hopefully, I'll be on the frequencies tonight. So otherwise, yep, certainly better calls here. We ended up with about a foot of snow. So KC9DDF. Thanks, Dan.
All right, John. Yeah, I hope you can get that wire at least usable anyway. And I was just trying out my amp on when I checked in, and man, the SWR went sky high on 40 meters. 40 meters tunes in real nice at 100 watts, but I don't know. So I shut the amp off, but Dan's pretty clear, and Dan says I got a great loud signal, so yeah, what the heck, 100 watts. But yeah, hopefully you can get on 75 meters tonight. If you can't, I'll just let everybody know that your wire went down, and you're having some technical difficulties there and trying to work on it. So I wish you good luck with that. Don't screw up that shoulder messing with that wire either.
Contact.
Okay, thanks. Yeah. I think I'll work out something. Thank you, KC9DDF. Thanks, Dan.
Okay, there's another contact. The contact come now.
Thanks, Dan. Just want to say hi, John. Hopefully you're feeling better, doing good, and have fun with the snow.
Oh, Bill. You're a little light right now, but understand. Yeah, we ended up with plenty of snow here, Bill, and now it's going to get cold, of course, and probably same thing for you. But thanks for saying hi.
You betcha. We'll catch you later. W9LR. Thanks, Dan.
73W9LR, KC9DDF. Thanks, Dan.
Contact.
Another contact. Go ahead, sir.
KC9DDF, KD8SBM. John, you copy?
I do. You guys are interrupting my radio antenna right there. That's fine, though. Hi, Kurt.
Hey, don't feel bad about losing your wire. A friend of mine, another ham operator, about 8 miles from me here, he's got two of us down. So he was just telling me that he's got to wait till the weather gets a little bit better to go back and put them back up. He lost his 75 and his 40, so you're not alone. Hang in there, my friend. Just wanted to wave a hand. I'll let you give it back to Dan. Good to hear you, John.
Yeah, thanks, Kurt. And you're booming in. Yeah, I think I'm going to just splice the wire in. It's all just reachable off a step ladder, and I'll probably call it good. I think it's frozen solid up in the top of the tree there. There's no pulley or anything, so, but I've never had it. It's always been able to break it loose, and it's not coming loose. So 7-3, Kurt. Good hearing you. Dan, I promise I'm done. KC9DDF.
Really?
Okay, I was waiting to see if we had another contact, maybe. Very good. This is WB80EW. I have one more we haven't yet answered. KB Mike Charlie India. Sorry it took so long. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Dan. Just wanted to check in and say hello. This is KB8MCI, the name is Jody, and just thought I'd check in and see how everybody's doing. This is KB8MCI.
Okay. Oh, you're good. Wow, you're sounding great here, 15 over 9. That's working well. So thanks a lot for the check-in. Good to hear you, and come back soon.
Relay.
Relay, go ahead.
Yeah, this is K9AJP. I heard the N0TMU in there a couple times trying to get in. I don't know if he's still on board, Dan, but I think you're just missing him a little bit. November 0, Tango Mike uniform.
Okay, we heard November 0, Tango Mike uniform. If you're still out there, give us a call.
N0TMU, come on in there. I think it's Larry. I might be all wrong in that, but yeah, baby, I was thinking, golly gee, John must be quiet there. I was trying to relay him in earlier, but I just didn't want to break in. Anyway, K9AJP, good afternoon, Dan.
Okay. Well, we tried anyway. Thanks for that. Thanks for the help. And, maybe we'll see you tomorrow. K9AJP, WB80EW. Okay, we're about running out of time here. We've got 8 minutes left. It's 1:52 Eastern. And still listening, WB80EW's Midcar.
W8 Alpha Echo Whiskey.
I like W8 Alpha Echo Whiskey. Go ahead.
Yeah, let's see. Right up here, beautiful church, 6 Mile Lake, here East Church. I just got my antenna up, got about 8 inches of snow, the sun is down. So I'll let her know and just wanted to check it and get out of the list.
Okay. Well, glad you did that. And you're certainly added to the list. We've got a pretty long list today. W8AEW, thanks very much for the check-in. And as you know, come back and see us as soon as you can, okay? This is WB80EW. We're running out of time. 1:53 Eastern. Who needs mid-cars? Anyone? Anywhere?
Kilo India 8, Delta Juliet.
Kilo India 8, Delta Juliet. Go ahead. Yeah. Hey, Dan, I don't think I've talked to you before on this net, but name here is Gary, Golf Alpha Romeo Yankee, up in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, in a town called Ishpeming. We got 31 inches of snow here, and it's still coming down. We're like the bullseye of the storm, I guess. Anyway, went to use my snowblower this morning. That was the start. I kind of walked away from it for a while and then went out there again. I had a spare plug. I put a new plug in it and I got it going, but it's a smaller one. Just not with it. Almost nothing but spinning the tires. So you got to get a neighbor to help me out there, even if I got to compensate him a little bit. It's about the most snow I've seen in 24 hours in my 66 years that I can remember anyway. But anyway, I know there have been a lot of weather reports. I thought I'd just pass mine on. Over.
Okay, very good. Well, all sounds logical. There's no doubt about that. Hey, Jerry, thanks a lot for checking in with us. And you said you were near Ishpeming. I've heard of that before. I had many years ago, I had an uncle who made an annual trek up to the UP and hunting deer and sometimes bear, a few things. And so I've heard of some about a number of the places up yonder, way up there, even though my time in the UP is very, very small. Anyway, Jerry, thanks a lot for stopping by and look hearing from you again.
Yeah, I'm usually up in there in the morning, but I've kind of snowed in here and checked in 3-4 times today. 73, everybody else out there too. KITJ.
All right, sir, 73. Okay, it's 165.5 Eastern Time. What about that? Anybody still needs mid-cars? Mid-car now.
Kilo Bravo 8 Stop Romeo Uniform Charlie.
Check me out on this because there's a little something with your signal. I had a little trouble. It sounded like Kilo Bravo 8 Papa Romeo Uniform. Is that correct?
That's correct. Done a good job.
Okay, this is WBDEW. Go right ahead, sir.
I'm up here in St. Helens, Michigan. We only got about 12 inches of snow last night, between yesterday and last night. And it's snowing yet. We got driveway cleaned, everything's ready to go, but I'm not going on the road. So I just wanted to get in and say hi and let it go with that.
Okay, very good. Well, you made it. You made it under the wire. Thank you for the check-in mid-car. And make a note to come back and see us again. This is WBAEW, mid-car. Waiting a couple of minutes of mid-cars for today. Anybody else need it?
Have a good afternoon, Dan.
Thank you, sir. We'll make an effort. I'll be happy. I can handle cold, but I'll be happy if it doesn't snow and ice on it. So far, we've avoided it. Over.
Getting anything down there? Rain or anything?
Not right now. We had flurries that mounted up just a tiny bit earlier, but it didn't amount to anything. And now we have nothing.
Yeah, I shoveled off 6 inches to start with, and it was heavy, wet snow, and then it was rain and sleet and snow and back and forth. Finally ended up last night got down in the 20s, and the snow that came last night was only an inch or two, and it was pretty dusty. So starting to blow around though, but got everything cleaned off, and we're good for now. Just got to put up with the cold for a while. We're going to be down around 0 for a few days for the highs, so it's going to be interesting. But I'm going to Indianapolis on Monday. It'll be cool. It'll be warmer down there.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's one way to look at it. I don't think it's going to be significantly warmer, but yeah, it'll be warmer. You always look at the bright side of things.
Well, we'll get through it. I was watching Tom Skilling on WGN last night, and he said the El Nino winters will have some cold spells, but we'll get back to normal week after next. He said so. Just a week of trouble, I guess. Of course, some guys got it worse, Tom, like well over 20 inches of snow. So good luck, K9ARM.
Yeah, I would agree, Andy. Oh well. K9ARM, WB80EW. Check with you tomorrow if we can. This is mid-cars, and we're about done. Last minute. Anybody else needs a mid-car service, we're closing her up. This is WB8DEW.
Whiskey Delta 8, Lima Alpha.
Whiskey Delta 8, Lima Alpha. Go ahead, sir.
KB80EW, good afternoon, Dan. Thanks for running the net. I'm located in Brewster, Ohio, near Kent, and we've had very little snow at all, rain. It is very cold, but supposed to get down into the teens, I guess, this week here. I just wanted to check in and say hi. Thanks again for all you do for the net cars. It's 73, Dan.
All right, sir. WD8LLA, 73. And we'll catch you again soon. Pretty sure of that. There's a WB80EW. Okay, we're at the end of, we're 2 o'clock. That's the end of things, folks. Unless someone else has an urgent and need to get in, we're going to shut down the service.
Papa Golf Whiskey. Kilo Alpha 9.
Wait a minute, I had 2 stations. Alpha Golf Whiskey. What's the other?
Kilo Echo 9 uniform.
Oh, KE9U. Okay, stand by. Alpha Golf Whiskey, go ahead.
Kilo Alpha 8 Papa Golf Whiskey. Oh, Neil, give me a call after you sugar. Okay.
Okay, wait a minute. Did you say Papa Golf Whiskey?
Affirmative.
Oh, okay, KATGW. Okay. I'll make a note. Okay. Thank you, sir, or we'll try to get back to you. Now, the other station was KE9U. Go ahead.
Hi, Dan. Jerry. K9GAS. And while I just got the tail emptied in, I want to say hello to Mommy 22 just said that if they can be on Monday, that's good. 15 for 5 on Sunday. In Southwest area. But anyway, Dan wanted to say hello. Said one.
Okay. Wow, you're 9:20 over today. That's pretty good, isn't it? Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. And we'll talk to you again very soon. With that, folks, this is WB8EW at 2:01 Eastern Time. We're closing the regular scheduled mid-car service for today, 13th of January. And we'll call 202. And return to the frequency 7258 at an open frequency for regular amateur users. Thanks a lot, everybody, for the relay check-in, the whole 9 yards. And we hope we'll see you all tomorrow. This is WB80EW, and I will now be out.
KE9U from W9QI.
That was a double. The W9 station, go ahead.
Yeah, this is W9QI. I was wondering if Jerry was still around KE9U.
Yeah, hi, Tom. I say hello to you here real quick. Good evening or afternoon to you.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm barefoot too over here in Moline, Illinois, right on the Mississippi River, at 11 degrees. It's cold and the wind is blowing a little bit. And we got anywhere between 14 and 16 inches of snow. It was pretty heavy yesterday, over.
All right. Well, it's about 10 to 20 over here, but I'm barefoot here about 161 on the we're bright sunny. I think we're probably about 20 degrees, 24 for high, and we just got to actually everything down. My grass is green and clear.
My grass very good. Well, I was just listening around the band. You know, I was going up and down, although 10 meters is open. I'm just waiting for 6 meters open, but it has not. So I got a fairly new used 6 meter beanie back up here just before the cold weather hit, and kind of waiting for it to open up, but it hasn't done that. So we got, I think the 6 meters got to get it going here, man. Back to you. I'll stick in here for one more round with you, then I'm going to head back.
Okay, Tom, the wife just got home. She's down there helping the kids get out and watching the grandkids. But, yeah, I had to pay attention on it. I don't have that thing forward up. I have to tell you, I'm down into the actual. With this dry, cold air, man, it's just terrible. Well, a little better, I guess I could about how they it's doing nice today. Anyway, thank you for filing. Guys, I gave me a call. Thank you,
Okay, very good. Well, I'm glad I heard you. I just along to see what's going on. And I check this frequency every once in a while. I don't know too often, but once in a great while. Anyway, very good to hear you. Glad to hear going well with you. And I'm going to bail out of here. So thank you. I'm all will be clear.
Everybody done with the traffic. Yeah, I know the Papa Golf with Merv that I was going to call. Merv, you still there? All right. What kind of tank are you, sir? WDEMLA, you're with us. Okay. You said you wanted me to give you a call after vote, and what can I do for you? What kind of ticket on my
see the other guy now.